I have been watching some viral reels of people pouring acrylic paint on these teddy bears, and look at how satisfying these are to make and how cute they look. So I got one. We're going to try this out and see if I can come anywhere close to any of those. Let's do it. So I got this little dude on Shein, I believe. I actually ordered two, but one of them broke in the transit, so we only have one to work with. So I really hope I can make it look half decent and half as satisfying as it was in the video. But basically it's just a white bear. I think it's made of plastic. It is not quite the same as the video one, but I think it'll do. The arms move, the legs move, not that we need them to, but yeah, it's a nice little blank canvas for us to pour on. So next up, we're going to pick our colors. So I think I want to go blue, white, and copper. A couple of shades of blue actually. I like that blue. And then I want a darker one. Actually, those might be nice. And then maybe that. Yellow. Okay. So we're going with a pastel grey, a bluish green, a royal blue, and a yellow, just as a wild card, because I don't have gold. Okay, so you know me, and I change my mind like all the time. I did decide to add in a little bit of copper, just because I think this would make a nice accent. And I also did bring in another bottle of this bluish green. I mean, it does have a different name because it's a different brand, but essentially it's looking like the same color. So I feel like in case I run out of this, I have some more of this. And that's it. I think we are ready. Also, Sky wants you to like, comment, and sub, so make sure you do that now. I have laid the teddy down on a mat, so I don't know what we're going to do with the bottom side. We'll maybe come and fix that later, but we're essentially going to be pouring up the top. Okay, I have some small cups, and I think I want to start with the teal as a base, and then we'll do like a dirty pour or like a ring pour type situation. So here goes. Okay, this is officially not a white teddy anymore. And the first color I've used is this teal. I'm loving that. Okay, now I want to make a dirty cup for the mouth. So let's see, let's start with some of this gray. Actually, a whole lot of this gray, but this blue, a bit of yellow, and a tiny bit of copper as it comes. And I'm gonna attempt a little pour situation here, and let's see what we get. This looks nothing like the video, but I'm not mad at it. I actually like it. But we're gonna play around and see what more we can do. But I do like how those colors are looking. I think I might make another one of the same cup so we can like cover the side, because there's uncovered bits on the side. So I did the gray, then I did this blue, I believe, and then we did some yellow. And then we did some copper, which is kind of lost in there, but you can see some hints. I'll show you in the close-ups. Okay, so let's do this. I think I'm going to go again in the middle and do this. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. I do want to cover these bits which aren't covered yet, so I'm just like using my finger to sort of cover the paint, cover the surface a little bit so that we can have some flow. Okay, I quite like that actually. Okay, I think we're going to leave that as is for now. Let's do the ears. Okay, I want a bit of contrast with the ears, so I think I'm going to use yellow and this blue. And let's throw in some copper. Okay, here goes. Okay, I like that. I like that. I like that. Again, it doesn't look anything like the video, but I like what's happening. All right, we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay, fun. Gonna add a tiny amount more blue because there's more blue on the other side. I mean, not that this is gonna be any symmetrical, but still. No, that wasn't quite enough. Let's add a tiny bit more. Okay, better. Okay, I really like that. It's happening. Okay, I think for the body, I want to go with the same as what we've done up top. So let's go back to the gray. But this time, I'm going to add more of the blue and a little bit of yellow and copper. So I'm going to try to avoid the hands, and we're focusing on the body. Okay, I really like that. I'm really liking that blue, so I think I'm gonna add a bit more yellow and a bit more blue on here as well. Okay, I like that. I like that. I like that. I really like that. Okay, now for the hands, I think I want to do just teal. Yeah, okay. I want to do teal hands. That's it. Okay. So here goes. So this one I can use my fingers and just help it along because there's no other color that can get muddy or muddled. So I'm going to do that. Okay, I like that. Okay, so I think I want to do the same thing on this side. But I'm going to just pour a tiny amount and then help it along. Oh no, I spilled a drop of teal on the body. We'll see. We might be able to come back and fix that. For now, I'm just doing this. Okay, I really like it. I really like how this is turning out. Okay, the teals that I spilled has sorted itself out, so we don't need to worry about that. Okay, now I think I want to do the same thing on the legs that I did with the ears. So I just want these, but maybe I want more copper. So this time I'm going to go in with the copper first. So then that way it's going to be the last thing that comes out, which means that it will be the first thing on top, if that makes sense. And then blue, and then yellow. Right, okay, let's do this. A bit here, a bit here. Oh my god, look at that! Look at that, I love that. And then here, and then some here. Okay, this is so fun, you guys. This is so fun. Okay, I will have to make some more because I'm not all the way covered. But I'm going to use this as a base and just like, once again, help it along a little bit. And the feet. And then on the inside. And along here. Okay. Okay. I I feel like this is too yellow. I do want to sort this out. I like it, but it's too yellow. So I think I want some teal and some blue and some copper. Let's see. Let's see what happens. We shall see. Right, okay. Now, is that too blue? I don't know. I kind of like it. Let's go in with some fun greens. Okay, this and grey. Copper. That's it, actually. Let's do like a tiny green type situation. Okay, fun. Let's do another one here. Okay, no, I spilled on the hand. But I think we can pour some more teal and fix that. Okay, I like that better now. Do like that a lot better now. Okay, now the color is different. Okay, that's fine. You guys, I just like it. I like it as it is now. I don't think I want to do anything else. I love it. I want to leave it as it is. I do not want to mess around. At first, I was thinking I'm going to go around this top, but I'm worried that I'm going to mess it up. So, or should I just go for it? I don't know. I really don't know. I like that everything else is bright and then we have like solid colors and then we have this subtle area. So I do like that. I don't want to mess it up. I don't know what to do.
You make up your mind.
Okay. Do you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Okay. More gray. Tiny amount of teal. Actually, that wasn't that tiny. Tiniest amount of blue, and then copper. Yeah, lots of copper, and then a little bit more gray. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, wow. Okay, wow. I'm so glad I did this. Okay. Yay! Okay. I love that I went like stripy and I'm so glad I did this. This looks stunning. Like, if I can just say so myself, it looks absolutely amazing. Like, I wish I had more of these. Like, I just want to carry on. I just want to like play around with it and just carry on. Okay, I have to leave this now because it looks absolutely amazing and I cannot wreck it. So I'm going to leave this to dry. And I'm so excited to show you guys what it looks like. But we might have to deal with the back because it's rested. And obviously the back is going to be, well, muddy and not very nice. But we're going to fix that later. So I'm going to save these colors and we're going to do something with the back. Maybe just hand paint it or something. But you guys, I love this. Okay, bye. See you when this is dry. Now that the front is dry, I need to figure out the back. And by the way, at some point I decided to name him Brutus. Don't ask me why, it's just the name that came to me. Brutus the bear. So anyway, our little Brutus has a few bald spots on the back, as you can see. And so I thought the easiest way to address these would be with some spray paint, and I happen to have this blue shimmery spray paint already, so I thought it's the closest match to the colors I've used. So I'm just going to fog the bald areas and hopefully Brutus looks just fine on the back as well as the front. Are you ready to see what my bear looks like? It looks absolutely amazing. I did not think it would turn out to be this good. Let me show you some close-ups. I want to see if Brutus can stand, and it does. It stands without support. Okay, so can we talk about how stunning this looks? I mean, the tummy and the ears
are giving me geode vibes. It's got those geode veins, and the face is giving marble. Like, I absolutely love him so much, and honestly could not have asked for better results.
Brutus and I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we shall see you in the next one. Bye!